Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to read chapter number 14 of Social Studies Climate, Part 1. This is prepared by me, your social studies teacher, Alvina Gill. So I request you all to open your social studies book, chapter 14, page number 115. Have you ever wondered why some countries are hot and other cold at the same time? This is because of different climatic conditions at different places. Climate all around the world varies a lot. Places near the equator tend to be hot and humid than those which are away from equator. There are many other factors that control the climatic condition. You must have heard people using weather and climate interchangeably. But it is important to know that these two are different concepts. Yes. Now, we get weather information through newspapers, radios, and TV. Weather is about day to day changes in the atmosphere. It depends on hour to hour changes in the temperature, air pressure, rainfall, and sunshine. As you have seen also on the television, on the radio, weather broadcasting is done. So, weather is changing day to day, and it depends on hour to hour changes in the temperature, air pressure, rainfall, and sunshine. So for example, weather may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is continuously hot for several days, you do not need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink things. In contrast to cold days, when you like to eat something hot and wear woolen clothes. So, weather can be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. As you may have noticed also, when there is continuously hot for several days, you do not need any warm clothing. And you also like to drink or eat things. In contrast to cold days, when you like to eat something hot and wear woolen clothes. The climate is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. India experiences different climate round the year. This climate changes is marked by four major seasons. Now, the climate it is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. It can be monthly or 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. That in the experience we have different climate around the year, and this is changed marked by four major seasons. Let's see the names of the four seasons. Cold weather season, we call it winter, and it is from November to February. Hot weather season, it is known as summer, and it is from March to May or June. Southwest monsoon season, this is also known as rainy, June to September. Season of retreating monsoon, that is also known as autumn, it is from October to November. So we have four seasons: winter, summer, rainy and autumn. Winter is from November to February, summer it is from March to May, rainy this is from June to September, and autumn it is from October to November. So now let's discuss about the winter season. Winter season starts roughly in the month of November and continues up to the month of February. During the winter season, the days are shorter and nights are longer. Means the winter season starts during the month of November. As you can see, as November month is going on, and we can feel little cold because it is the starting of winter season, and it will continue up to the month of February. During winter seasons, the days become shorter and the nights are longer. The coastal areas comparatively warm even in this month. There is heavy rainfall in the Himalayan mountain ranges. January is the coldest month of the seasons, means in winter season, January is the coldest month. During the winter season, the temperature generally remains low. In the sandy regions of western Rajasthan, it is cold at night during winter because bare soil cools more quickly than soil with vegetarian cover. Means during winter season, the temperature generally remains low, but in desert areas in sandy regions, it is cold at night during winter, but because bare soil cools more quickly than the vegetation cover soil. Now moving on to the next season, we have summer season. During the summer season, the general weather remains hot and dry almost throughout the country. We experience summer season in the month of March, April, and May or June. At this time, the sun is overhead and it is a period of increasing temperature. During the summer season, hot and dry winds called Lu blow in the northwestern part of India. Dust storms are common in this part of India. People visit hill stations to experience cool and pleasant weather. The coastal areas are less hot due to the influence of cool winds coming from sea. In the desert region, it is extremely hot and the weather is unbearable. Some parts of India, like Assam, get heavy rainfall during the summer season. Now, during summer season, the weather remains hot and dry throughout the country. We experience summer season and the summer season starts from month of March, April and May or June. Means it continue up to June. At this time, the sun is overhead and it is the period of increasing temperature. During summer season, the temperature is very high. During the summer season, hot and dry winds blow. That hot and dry winds are also called as Lu, that blow in the northwestern part of India. Dust storms are common in this part of India, means storms full of dust. They are very common in this part of India. People in during summer vacation, as you might have seen also, when your summer vacations are there, you people go to visit hill stations to experience cool and pleasant weather. As in hill station, we can find cool and pleasant weather. So people visit hill stations to experience cool and pleasant weather. The coastal areas are less hot due to the influence of cool winds coming from the sea. Means in the coastal areas there are less hot. Why? Due to the influence of cool winds that are coming from the sea, because coastal areas are the areas where sea is very near. So the cool winds come from the sea, and due to that it is there is less hot in coastal areas. In the desert region, it is extremely hot and the weather is unbearable. But in desert region, the temperature is very high and it is very hot. Extremely hot is there in the desert regions, like you can see in Gujarat, Rajasthan. These are desert areas. So these areas are extremely hot and the temperature is very high during summer season, and the weather is unbearable, means the people can't bear that temperature hot during this season. Some parts of India, like Assam, get heavy rainfall during the summer season. There are some places in India where during the summer season there is heavy rainfall. As we can see, Assam, it get heavy rainfall during the summer season. So as we have seen, we have four seasons: cold weather season, that is your winter; hot weather season, that is your summer, and winter season starts from November to February, and summer starts from March to May or June. Rest of the two seasons we have rainy and autumn, that we will continue in our next video. And please, I request you, all the students, to read the lesson once again carefully up till the summer seasons. Last two seasons we will discuss in next video. Till then, please read the lesson carefully. Try to understand the chapter. Try to understand what is climate and what is winter season, summer season, and what is weather. So please request you all to read the lesson once again to understand it more carefully. Thank you, my dear students. Enjoy your day. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you.